All right, so I am on my Google TV here. This is a TCL TV, and I want to talk to you about Bluetooth not working with your Google TV. Now, again, I'm demoing this on a TCL, but the things that we're going to talk about should align no matter what manufacturer your Google TV is, or if you're actually using a Chromecast. So when you're having issues with your Bluetooth, it's because Google TV uses a shared Bluetooth antenna for remotes and accessories. Too many paired devices causes handshake conflicts. Now, what we need to do to start taking a look at what's going on is go over to our settings. Inside of settings, we're going to scroll down to remotes and accessories, and we're just going to take a look around. So I only have two things, one thing, which is this remote control paired in here, right? But check your Bluetooth block list, okay? I don't have any blocked accessories, but if I did, I would be able to unblock them here. And as it says here, if the same accessory is rejected 3 times in a row, the accessory can be added to the Bluetooth block list. After adding, it is no longer possible to pair with this accessory. So you have to remove things from that list if they were put there on accident. So next, that's just the block list here. What we want to actually take a look at is restarting the TV, which is very easy. Go to System, scroll down to the bottom. Here is a restart option. We're going to start there, okay? We're going to restart the TV. We're also going to unplug the TV. So the plug is down there. So you're just going to unplug it for about 60 seconds to let electrical buildup dissipate. That could be causing a disturbance with your Bluetooth. If you have a sound bar, I don't have a sound bar here, okay? But if you do have a sound bar, what we're going to do is we're going to temporarily disconnect it. For whatever reason, soundbars often hijack Bluetooth channels, blocking new pairings. So turn them off during setup. If it's still failing, we're going to go back to our accessories. Again, I don't have any here, but if I did have a list of remotes or accessories, we're going to start forgetting old accessories. We're going to toggle Bluetooth on and off, right, to see if that kicks things up. And then we will restart the TV in safe mode if that is an option for your device. Okay, but hopefully that helps. Oh, other thing, whatever you're trying to connect your Bluetooth device, whatever it is that you're trying to connect to the TV, reset that or restart that as well. Okay, now last ditch effort that I don't like to recommend, but it is an option. You can factory reset your TV. That's going to remove all the settings. It's just like you're pulling the TV out of the box on the first day, which means you're going to lose everything. Uh, don't recommend it, but it is an option. Go to System, go to About, go to Reset, and then Factory Reset. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to have to add everything back in. Okay. So that is what we're going to troubleshoot for the Bluetooth. I hope it helps, guys. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.